What's up? It's your boy Money Making Swab with Perfect Touch Auto Glass. An old man lived in the village. He was one of the most unfortunate people in the world. The whole village was tired of him. He was always gloomy. He consistently complained and was always in a bad mood. The longer he lived, the more bowed he was becoming, and the more poisonous were his words. People avoided him because his misfortune became contagious. It was even unnatural and insulting to be happy next to him. He created the feeling of unhappiness in others. But one day, when he turned 80 years old, an incredible thing happened. Instantly, everyone started hearing the rumors. An old man is happy today. He doesn't complain about anything. He smiles, and even his face is freshened up. The whole village gathered together. The old man was asked by the villagers, "What happened to you?" The old man, "Nothing special. For 80 years, I've been chasing happiness, and it was useless. And then I decided to live without happiness and just enjoy life. That's why I'm happy now." Moral of the story: don't chase happiness. Enjoy your life. Part 2. The Wise Man. People have been coming to the wise man, complaining about the same problems every time. One day, he told them a joke, and everyone roared in laughter. After a couple of minutes, he told them the same joke, and only a few of them smiled. And when he told the same joke for a third time, no one laughed anymore. The wise man smiled and said, "You can't laugh at the same joke over and over. So why are you always crying about the same problems?" Moral of the story: worrying won't solve your problems. It'll just waste your time and energy. Be positive. Be true. Be kind. You cannot have a positive life and a negative mind. If you are positive, you'll see opportunities instead of obstacles. Write it on your heart that every day is the best day in the year. But on the flip side, if you got some ashy skin, crusty feet, eczema, sunburn, get yourself some mother butter. It's gooder than a mother butter.